Hi, welcome to KV's Plants and Orchids. This is the Indian borage plant. Actually, in many places it is called ajwain plant, but ajwain plant is different. It has leaves are also different. The real name of it is Indian borage. The scientific name is Coleus ambonicus, and it is a semi-succulent plant. It's a perennial plant in the family of Lamiaceae. It has a pungent oregano-like smell, and people use it in cooking, and it's a medicinal plant also. It is a native of Africa and India. Actually, where in most of the South Indian houses we keep this plant, because especially for children, for a cold, we use the leaves of this plant as a medicine when in the earlier stages. It's very effective, and I think in the North India also they use it as a medicinal plant, but in South India we call this it as Navaraila, Omaila and all, and there are some other names for it. It is Mexican mint, Indian borage is the real name of it, and here I am growing it as an ornamental plant because it's very beautiful leaves. See, it has some because it is quite dusty here, so it has small fibers on the leaves which has collected some dust. I don't pour water over it because it collects water, then the leaves get spoiled. So it is very difficult to clean this plant. And it is a member of mint family. Maybe that is because of it has this fragrance. And stems are very fleshy and long. So you could see some small hair like structures. The hair that stem also has, and the leaves also has the same thing, and it flowers when it matures. Flowering is not very common in, because we keep cutting the top part, no, so because of that it won't flower. But if you keep the plant without cutting it and it matures, it will flower, and flowers will also have the same smell of this plant. And in many places it is used in cooking also. Here I have planted it in a 50% river sand and 30% vermicompost and 20% garden soil. My garden soil is not very good. It is a semi-succulent plant, so you should not use any soggy soil for this plant. And in rainy season you have to take care of this plant. It likes sunlight, but even in not very harsh sunlight, the morning sunlight is okay for it. And fertilization is, you can give organic fertilizer. It doesn't need much fertilizer, so once in 6 months you can give any organic fertilizer. And propagation is through seeds and by cutting. You can just cut this part and put it in good potting soil, it will grow. So here I have I am growing many medicinal plants also with my plants. So this is one of the medicinal plant which I grow. So Indian borage, and I am growing it in a terracotta pot, because this plant I have found like the terracotta pot more than the plastic pots, because terracotta pots are, it can breathe, and it is most of the plant like terracotta pots, but it is difficult to get terracotta pots here. This is one of my old pot and old plant also. So it is just here after here when I search for this type of a pot cost me 250 rupees. So it is very difficult for me to buy. That also is not available. Very rarely you get that pots here, terracotta pots here. So that is why I am growing it in a terracotta pot. Hope you like the video about our Indian borage. So this is not the ajwain plant, it is Indian borage. You can check if you want in Google or Google it out and find out. Many people call it as ajwain plant. That is not the real name of this plant. Ajwain plant is different. And you can people even dry the leaves of this plant and use in cooking. Okay, I covered almost. The pest attack, I haven't seen anything in this. Only in rainy season we have to be very careful. If the water accumulates, no, if you keep it in rain, then that part becomes decay and the plant may die. So I keep it away from the rain water where it falls. So it won't be a problem. So I am keeping it. The same way you can grow this plant, a good medicinal plant to grow. If you like the video, press the like button. If you are a first time viewer of my channel, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. And I have my Instagram channel also. There I post the birds and the flowers in my garden. You can watch that also. Thank you.